Ever since Huawei was banned from doing business with US companies, the Chinese company had to change its super aggressive approach when it comes to hardware innovation and upgrades. And so, Samsung took on the role of a reference point for smartphone zoom reach and quality on phones. Despite pioneering modern 5-10x periscope zoom cameras, P30 Pro, P40 Pro Plus, Huawei was held back, and today the premium Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and S22 Ultra flagships from South Korea are quite literally the only phones able to give you 10x optical zoom snappers. Hence, during the past 2 years the general feel's been that Samsung's in a zoom league of its own. But, and we can't go without a but, in reality the Galaxy S22 Ultra hasn't been the clear winner when it comes to zoom photos in all scenarios, and most importantly at all focal lengths/zooming distances. We saw that in our Pixel 6 Pro versus Galaxy S22 Ultra zoom camera battle. So, phones like the Pixel 6 Pro have already proven that coming close to 10x optical zoom with a 4x zoom camera is indeed possible, and now Google's brand new Pixel 7 Pro is bringing an upgraded zooming system, which, once again, takes a very different approach to Samsung's. All with one goal: to give you the most versatile, flexible, and overall highest quality zooming system on a phone. So, let's discuss the Pixel 7 Pro's new zoom tricks and see whether Google's bold claims and ambitious goals are viable at all. Did Google just outsmart Samsung? To get the tech talk out of the way, the Pixel 7 Pro will offer values of 0.6x, 1x, 2x, 5x, 10x, and up to a maximum of 30x zoom, as opposed to the 0.7x, 1x, 2x, 4x, 8x, and maximum of 20x default zooming options on last year's Pixel 6 Pro. Sure, a slightly wider ultra-wide camera and 5x optical zoom lens instead of a 4x might not seem like the biggest hardware leap ever, but that's where Google's software trickery, namely super residential zoom, comes into play. The new zooming system on the Pixel 7 Pro with an upgraded super residential zoom algorithm aims to give you an experience close to seamless zoom, or what's known to photographers as vario/continuous zoom. Similar to Apple's iPhone 14 Pro, the Pixel 7 Pro will now be cropping into the middle portion of its 50MP primary camera sensor to give you a 12.5MP 2x zoom shot without loss in quality. Google will be utilizing the same sensor cropping technique for the new 48MP 5x zoom camera too, resulting in optical quality zoom at 10x magnification. Needless to say, a high resolution of the Pixel's 50 and 48MP sensors are what allows Google to pull this off. For reference, you can't achieve the same with a 10MP periscope camera like on the S22 Ultra, since the middle portion of this sensor would be only 2.5MP. That's confirmed by the so-called fine print, or what's known as a footnote, on the bottom of the Google's Pixel 7 series introduction on the company's blog. In the meantime, Apple, Google and co have clinged onto the idea of solving the zoom problem with software. Your 1x camera can now give you a virtual 2x camera, and soon your Pixel 7 Pro's 5x camera might also be your 10x optical quality zoom lens. This makes me wonder if the use of software trickery to get lossless zoom photos and videos, as seen on the iPhone 14 Pro, kills the dream of a proper continuous zoom camera on a phone, or the opposite? Is that the future of zoom on phones? I still like to believe that the future of phone cameras is one amazing camera that can zoom smoothly, give you natural depth of field, and perform well, and be consistent, no matter the conditions. But are we now closer or farther away from this end goal? Are you picking up a Pixel 7 Pro, and do you see it beating the Galaxy S22 Ultra when it comes to zoom?